Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Fortinet, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Fortinet, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in fortinet.com and press enter. Once the Fortinet homepage loads, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. On the sign in page, find the link that says create an account and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration form. Begin filling out the required fields, which typically include your first name, last name, and email address. Next, create a strong password for your account. Ensure that your password meets the specified requirements for security. After entering your password, look for any additional fields such as company name and phone number. Fill in these fields as necessary, then review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms. Once all fields are completed, click the Register or Submit button at the bottom of the form. A confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Fortinet. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After clicking the link, you may be directed to the Fortinet site. Finally, log into your new account using your registered email and password. You are now ready to explore the features and services offered by Fortinet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.